Bonjour. Today, let's learn the topic possessive adjectives in French. Les adjectifs possessive. In French and in English, the possessive adjectives are used to show the possession of a noun. First, let's see the possessive adjectives in French. For each possessive adjective in English, you have three different forms in French. This is because of the gender and number agreement in French. So, for my, you have three forms mo, ma, me. Your, to, ta, te. His or her, so, sa, se. Our, not, no. Your, votre, wo. Their, leur, and leur. Now let's see how to use these possessive adjectives in French. So, rule number one. In English, the possessive adjectives agree in number and gender with the possessor, whereas in French, it agrees with the noun that it qualifies. So, what do you mean by this rule? For example, in English, if you want to say, this is Helen's book, you will say, it is her book. This is Paul's book, you will say, it is his book. So, depending upon the possessor, you will decide which possessive adjective to use in English. But in French, according to the number and gender of the noun that it qualifies, which means the noun that comes immediately after it, or which about the noun which we are speaking about the possession, you will use the possessive adjective. For example, if you want to say my book in French, the word for book in French is livre. Livre is masculine, so you will use mon livre. His mother, the word for mother in French is mère, which is feminine, so you will say sa mère. Your friends, the word for friends in French is ami. Here we are using the masculine form amis, so you will say tes amis. You can even say vos amis also for your friends, vos. And our idea, the word for idea in French is idée. Idée is feminine, and so you will say notre idée. Moving on to the second rule. In French, possessive adjectives are repeated before each noun that it qualifies. See, for example, in English, you will say, my pen and pencil are lying on the floor. But in French, you will say, mon stylo et mon crayon. In English, when you say my pen and pencil, you are using my only one time. But in French, you have to say mon stylo et mon crayon. It is because of the number and gender agreement. Her father and mother, in French, you will say son père et sa mère. Moving on to the third and final rule, which is also an exceptional rule. In front of feminine singular nouns starting with vowels or semi-vowels, instead of ma, ta, sa, mo, to, and so are used. So, according to the first rule which we have studied, you have to, it is told that the possessive adjective has to agree in number and gender with the noun that it qualifies. So, likewise, if you want to say my friend, who is a feminine, you will use ami here, A-M-I-E. And so, according to the first rule, you have to use ma ami. But according to this rule, third rule, you are using mon ami. Instead of ma, you are using mo. Likewise, école is a feminine noun, but it is starting with a vowel. So instead of ta école, you are using ton école. Horloge is again a feminine noun starting with a semi-vowel h. So instead of sa horloge, you are using son horloge. So why we are doing this? It is in order to facilitate the pronunciation. Okay. So this is an exceptional rule. You have to be very careful while applying this rule for doing the exercises of possessive adjectives. Let me give you a quick recapitulation of all the rules. First rule is possessive adjectives in French agrees in number and gender with the noun that it qualifies, that is the noun that comes immediately after it. Second rule is possessive adjectives is repeated before each noun that it qualifies in French. And third rule is in front of feminine singular nouns starting with vowels and semi-vowels. Instead of ma, ta, sa, you will use mon, to, and so. So now let's see more examples in the form of exercises. Here the exercise is choisissez la bonne réponse. Choose the right answer. So here in this exercise, in the bracket, they have given you two possessive adjectives. Among that possessive adjectives, you have to choose the apt possessive adjective to fill up the gaps. First one is nous avons oublié notre parapluie. So here the options given are notre and no. Notre is singular, no is plural. Both means our. So we have forgotten our umbrella. You can use only notre parapluie because notre is singular there. Parapluie is masculine singular, so you have to use notre. Second sentence, ils sont achetés leur maison il y a 2 ans. So the in bracket they have given you leur and leur. Both means there. First one is singular, second one is plural. So here the noun maison. Maison is feminine singular, so you have to use leur. Ils sont achetés leur maison il y a 2 ans means they have bought their house 2 years ago. Henry aime beaucoup sa femme. Here the possessive adjectives they have given are so and sa. Both means is or her. First one is masculine, second one is feminine. Femme is feminine singular, so you have to use sa. So if it is a feminine noun, then you have to see whether it is starting with a vowel or consonant. If it is starting with a vowel, then you have to apply the third rule. Here femme, it is starting with a consonant, so you are using sa femme. Henry aime beaucoup sa femme is Henry loves much his wife. Nicola, ta sœur est très intelligente. Here the possessive adjective given in bracket are to and ta. Both means your, but first one is masculine, second one is feminine. Here the noun sir is feminine singular, so you are using ta. Nicola, ta sœur est très intelligente. Nicola, your sister is very intelligent. Sarah, cherche ton frère. Again, the possessive adjective given are ta and to, feminine and masculine. Here, frère is masculine singular, so you are using to. Sarah, cherche ton frère. Sarah, search your brother. Hope you have understood possessive adjectives in French. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Bonne continuation.